Nail pattern and locking panels. As installed panels must move freely from side to side, the fasteners must be installed in a manner that will not restrict movement. When installing a siding panel, push up from the bottom until the lock is fully engaged with the piece below it. Without stretching the panel, reach up and fasten it into place. Fasten nails in the center of the nailing slot and make sure the fastener penetrates a total of at least 3/4 of an inch into a nailable material, such as wood, sheathing, or framing. Allow approximately a 1/32 of an inch clearance, perhaps the thickness of a dime, between the fastener head and the vinyl. Do not drive the head of the fastener tightly against the siding nailing hem. This will restrict movement and cause oil canning. As you can see, the siding cannot move. Do not place the fastener against the ends of the nail slot. This will restrict movement and cause oil canning. As you can see, the siding cannot move, causing rippling of the panel.